Can 𝗕𝗬𝗂𝗧 and ChatGPT really speed up your content creation? Well, if you'd like to find out a little bit more, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now here we are at 𝗕𝗬𝗂𝗧. Now if you don't know what 𝗕𝗬𝗂𝗧 is, it allows you to be able to create shortcuts to be able to create content that's going to be able to speed up the process no end. For example, over here you can see I've got here like intro and outro. Now let me show you what I can do with this. Now let's say for example I want to be able to put that into ChatGPT. All I have to do is go / and then I can say intro. And then it creates that entire thing for me. Now I can put whatever I like in this section here, and it immediately allows me to be able to create this prompt. And now I can also, if I wish to, I can then add some more information here, a little bit more information there, and then create it as a prompt itself. Or I can just leave that as something I want to add to my video or something like that. So that's one way in which you can do it. Now, how do we actually do this? Well, first of all, I want to say, for example, I'm going to make this one here. I'm going to call this one a new one. We're going to give it a new name. And we are going to call this one, well, script intro. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this, you see how it's got the /do just here? What I'm going to do is just go /, and then I'm going to say script. Then I'm going to call that script 1, just to make it quick and easy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my prompt. I'm going to write what I want to say here. My name is Henry, and I run a YouTube channel called, then what I'm going to do at this particular point is I'm going to create a space, and then I'm going to leave some lines there. Leave that there because I have several video channels. So my name is Henry. I run a YouTube channel called 𝗬𝗏formula, Product Creation Formula, AI Product Creation. There's a whole bunch of different ones that you can do. Whatever ones you choose to create, if you have more than one channel, you can do it this way. If you have only one channel, then just create it with the one name. That's fine. And the reason I do that is so as when it creates the intro of the script, then it will be able to do it. Okay, so I'm now going to put down here, please write a detailed YouTube script about, and then you can put down what the video is going to be about. Oops, I just realized that the script is spelt wrong. About, you can put full stop there. Please write it in a friendly and casual voice. I am 59 years old, so please write it in an age appropriate way. Full stop. In the conclusion, please include asking my audience to like, subscribe, as well as hit the bell icon so they can be notified when we upload more videos. Also ask them to share and leave a comment below about the video they just watched. Okay, so that can be prompt for an entire script. Okay, so now that the mistakes are fixed up, we have now got that ready, and it's going to be under /script 1. Okay, so now let's go over here to ChatGPT and see what we can do here. Go here, and now all we have to do is go /script 1, and it writes it up for me. Now, what we're going to be doing is I'm actually going to put this down as 𝗬𝗏formula, and right here I'm going to now write up what it's going to be about. How to develop a stoic way of life. There we are. Now we've got pretty much everything else we want in there, so all you need to do now is just hit that, and now this will create an entire script for me from scratch. And it'll also
go down, it'll list it out for me, all the various things they can do. Now, one of the other things you can do if you wish to, is you can say, go over here and let's create a new one. And right now, we're going to be calling this one expand prompt. We're going to call this one expand. And right down here, you can now add whatever you want to put down here. Right now, I'm going to say, please expand on, and then we can go there, put some that there, right? It in a, oops, in a casual and friendly tone, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Unless, of course, you want to say something else as well. Please expand on, and then you can write, you can copy, for example, say for example, you want to have more information about this, you can then add that section, you can just copy that and add that section to the blank section. And let's go over here. And okay, so we got / expand. Let's now go down here, / expand, and see how it's already written that there. And say, for example, you just want to have this one here, you just copy that and add that straight here. You go Control V, and there you have it. And all you need to do now is just hit enter and let it do its thing. Now what it's doing is expanding the size of the script, allowing it so as you can actually create a video script that is much bigger and going to be more appropriate for your audience. Do remember to read through it. Make sure if it doubles up on things, cut out that part of the script, get rid of it, and you can create the video where you're sitting in front of the camera, or you can use, if you wish to, Pictory, or you can use Steve AI, or one of those other softwares that will help you speed up the process no end. All right, guys.
If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know, right here is a video I do believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.